Yeah. Hello students. So we are doing today integers, multiplication and division. So we will learn the rules for multiplying and dividing integers with examples. Okay, are you ready? So first of all, as we know, what are integers? Integers include positive numbers, negative numbers and 0. Examples are here: -5, -2, 0, 3, 8. So right hand side we have positive integers, and between 0 and left of the 0 we have negative integers. So first is the rule 1 for the multiplication of integers. What is the rule for multiplication of integers? The rule is, if the signs are same, then result will be positive. Positive integer multiplied with positive integer, answer will be positive integer. If the negative integer is multiplied with another negative integer, that also will be positive integers. The result will be positive. Yes, now we have second rule. What is the second rule? The second rule, when you have the integers for multiplications with the different signs, the answer always will be negative. One positive integers multiplied with one negative integer, the answer will be negative. And the negative integer multiplied with positive integer, then also the answer will be negative. Third, I am showing you the examples of multiplication. As you can see, -4 multiplied with -3. The sign are same. Negative integer multiplied with negative integer. So answer will be, sign will be positive, and 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. Next we have 5 multiplied with -6. So one integer is positive, another integer is negative. So the different sign, the result always will be with the negative sign, and 5 multiplied 6 gives you 30. Negative -7 into positive, that is 2. Again the different sign, so different sign, the sign will be negative, and the number 7 multiplied 2 will be 14. Now we have the rules for division of integers. As you know, in division also the same sign, the result will be positive. Positive integer divided by positive integer, result will be positive sign. And negative integer divided by the negative integer, the result will be positive. As you can see, the rule for division of integers, when the sign are different, so the answer will be negative. See, the positive integer divided with the negative integer, the answer will be negative. And the negative integer divided with positive integer, the answer will be negative. You have to check the sign before the digit. Okay, suppose -3 divided by +3. So you have to see, this is the sign negative and this 3 has sign positive. So different sign, the result will be negative. Next we have examples of division. See, the negative integer divided by negative integer, positive. 6 times 4 is 24. So 24 divided by 6 gives you 4, but the sign will be positive. 20 divided by -5. First we check the sign. The sign of 20 is positive and the sign of 5 is negative. So positive divided by negative will give you the result negative, but 20 divided by 5 gives you 4. Next we have -18 divided by +3. 18 divided by 3 gives you 6, but the sign and the signs are different, so it will be -6. So here are some questions given. You can solve in your notebook. If you have learnt the multiplication and division with the same sign and with different sign, you can answer in the comment box these. Thank you very much.